interconnected with multi-force members. In Chapter 3, we discussed the equilibrium on multi-force bodies, but we concentrated on the equilibrium of single rigid body. In the present article, for the frames and machines, we focus on equilibrium of interconnected rigid bodies which include multi-force members. Equilibrium equilibrium of interconnected rigid bodies. Although most such bodies may be analyzed as two-dimensional systems, there are numerous examples of frames and machines which are also three-dimensional. The forces acting on each member of connected system are found by isolating the member with a free body diagram. The force acting on each member of a connected system are found by isolating the member with a free body diagram and applying the equation of equilibrium. The principle of action and reaction must be carefully observed when we represent observed when we represent the force of interaction on the separate free body diagram. If the structure contains more members or supports than are necessary to prevent collapse, then as the case of trusses, the problem is statically indeterminate and the principle of equilibrium, although necessary, are not sufficient for solution. Although many frames and machines are aesthetically indeterminate, we will consider in this article only those which are aesthetically determinate. In frame or machine consists a rigid body unit by itself. When removed from its supports, like the A-frame in this picture, in the part A, the analysis is best begun by establishing all the forces external to the structure treated as a single rigid body. We'll then dismember the structure and consider the equilibrium of each part separately. The equilibrium equations for the several parts will be related through the terms involving the force of interaction. If the structure is not a rigid unit by itself but depends on its external supports for rigidity, as illustrated in the B part here, then the calculation of external support reaction cannot be complete until the structure is dismembered and the individual parts are analyzed. Force representation and free body diagrams in the members of machine.